Hey everybody, Zach here with my weekly analysis. So the Nasdaq is looking like it's in a very strong uptrend. It's been staying in between these two blue lines, this nice uptrend channel here. It's kind of towards the bottom of it, if anything. This is a very steep uptrend though, so it's kind of strange that it's been holding it for so long, but what can you do? So this week I'm going to be watching for entries at 225, and also I'll be watching for entries at 220. At 225, I believe that if the QQQ can hold support at 225 for Monday morning, first like half hour, then I think that we can continue up to potentially 230. 227 being the first target, and then 230 being the second. And I believe that because we've been just in such a long uptrend that the path of least resistance right now is up for one, and for two, based on some measured moves that I've calculated from the past, we're due for another like 5 points higher before this uptrend needs a breather, if it needs a breather, that is. So yeah, I'm watching for an entry at 225 with a 1 delta risk, and I'm watching for an entry around 220 or at the bottom trend line, whichever one, Monday or Tuesday. So if we break under 225 by 1 delta, then I'm out. And I will see that as an opportunity to enter short, because we can easily go down to this 222 level. That could just be a quick scalp trade. But for the most part, I'd like to stay bullish if we're over 225, get out under 224, and then get back in around 220 or at this lower trend line. That's my entries right now. And if we break this 220 level, that's very bearish. If I see us break under it for about over an hour, then I'd be looking for short opportunities there. So far, the market looks quite bullish, and I think there's no reason that it shouldn't continue up. Even though there's every economic reason in the world that it shouldn't continue up, the market just keeps raging higher. As for the S&P 500, they're kind of range bound more so, but if it can break over that 296.3 level, it can definitely go to 300 and above. The SPY has been trying to break 300 for a while now, and it's just been having trouble, but as you can see, it is still trending upwards, even though it's kind of slow that it's doing that. So basically the S&P 500 is also looking very bullish. You could easily short it or do a strangle at 300, because it could really go either way. But I am expecting the S&P 500 to really move once it passes over 300, maybe right to 305. The move might be dramatic and pretty quick. So yeah, that's about all. Everything looks bullish right now. There's nothing telling me that the market's going to go down. Even if we went down to, like, let's say QQQ 220 or QQQ 222.5 or 0.6, I really wouldn't say that the market was bearish just yet. There's a lot of buying, and this market can very easily recover from such a small pullback. So that's what I'm watching for this week, and if you like the video, give it a like. Thank you.